Today's first reading is the beginning of the book of Ruth. The book of Ruth is one of those truly fascinating stories in the Hebrew scriptures. And even though it's only 4 chapters long, there is a lot to be learned from it. So in the reading today, we hear that a woman named Naomi, an Israelite woman, has a husband, Elimelech, and 2 sons. And they journey to Moab, where the 2 sons take wives. One is named Ruth, the other is Orpah. Well, over the course of time, Elimelech and Naomi's 2 sons all die. And so Naomi is now truly vulnerable. She is a widow. She is without a husband. She's without sons. So she wants to go back to Israel, and she tells Ruth and Orpah, just stay here. Go back to Moab. Don't come back with me. But Ruth, in those very famous verses from the book, says, wherever you go, I will go. In other words, Ruth says that she will remain faithful to Naomi no matter what. The Hebrew word for this kind of love is hesed. And usually hesed refers to God's love, God's loving kindness, God's tender mercy. But here we see Ruth practicing hesed, love beyond the call of duty. And there are other examples of hesed in the book of Ruth. One of the things that can be learned from this particular story and from the book of Ruth in general is that it's important to practice hesed. It's important to show love to others that's beyond the call of duty, because as you will see if you read the book of Ruth, hesed is contagious. When others see that kind of love, they follow suit and they want to do the same. And that's an important lesson from the book of Ruth. That's an important lesson for us today as well.